Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price changes occurs in Cardano. What's the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3K subscriber. I need your support. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel. So if you listen my voice, kindly don't ignore my words and please hit the subscribe button. Now let's see what's the price changes occurs in Cardano in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. Let's see the price prediction of Cardano. First of all, we look the 2 hour result of Cardano. What's the change occur in Cardano in the previous 2 hour? First of all, we look the chart analysis of Cardano. If we look the chart analysis of Cardano, so the chart analysis of Cardano tell us that at the last 1 hour they fast down, but now currently at the end of this hour they are going up, as you can see here. Maybe in the future they are very grateful, they are very take a good jump, take a high jump in the future. Maybe it's possible. Now the currently changes of Cardano is about negative 0.53% in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Cardano in the previous last 2 hour is about $1.21 dollar is the high price of Cardano in the previous 2 hour. So that's a live price prediction. Live price changes occurs in the Cardano in the last 2 hour. Now let's see what's the price changes occur in the Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now, I'm click on the last 1 hour and let's see the live price prediction of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, there's a live price prediction. So if we see the chart analysis of Cardano, so the chart tell us the red candle tell us that it's a dumping period of Cardano. So if we look at the last of this hour, so at this time they are in dumping. Oh my god, in the last 1 hour currently they are in dumping. So it's a really bad news for all Cardano holders. So if we look the changes of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, so the changes is about negative 0.99% occurs in Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. In the high price is the 2 hour high price is $1.21 is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour, same price of Cardano in the high price. In the 2 hour period of Cardano, the high price is about $1.21 and the change maybe change, and soon inshallah the Cardano price will be good. Inshallah, hope that their price is good and you make a good profit in with a Cardano cryptocurrency in the market of Cardano cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency markets have no judge, no rules. They are depend on your luck. If you are lucky, you make more money. If you not lucky, so it's a funny time of Cardano, you don't make any kind of money. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.